In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moomoo technical indicators. Let's start right on the chart. Open the Moomoo app or desktop platform, search for the stock you want to analyze, and open its page. You'll land on the price chart, typically shown as candlesticks. This view is your foundation. Each candle summarizes how the price moved over a selected period, helping you quickly see trends, momentum, and volatility. Now, let's bring indicators into the picture. Look for the dashboard-style icon just below the chart and tap it to open the indicator panel. This panel organizes tools into two helpful categories. Main chart indicators sit directly on top of the price action. Think moving averages or Bollinger Bands, so you can compare them to price movement at a glance. Subchart indicators live in their own areas underneath the main chart, things like RSI and MACD, so you can study momentum or trend strength without crowding your price candles. A quick tip here: keep your chart readable. It's better to start with a few core indicators and add more only when they serve a clear purpose. To browse everything Moomoo offers, tap More in the Indicator panel. You'll see a large library, over 60 indicators, covering popular choices like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, and moving averages, along with many advanced options. You can scroll through or search by name if you already know what you want. When you find an indicator you'd like to use, check the box to select it. Choose as many as you need, then tap Done to apply them to your chart. You should immediately see overlays on the price or new panes appear below, depending on the type you selected. After adding indicators, take a moment to tailor them to your strategy. Most indicators have adjustable settings. Tap the gear or adjust icon next to an indicator to change parameters such as the time period and the color or style of the lines. Shorter periods react faster to price changes, while longer periods smooth out noise and highlight bigger trends. For example, if you add a moving average, you might set it to a 20-day MA to emphasize the short-term trend. Many traders use this to gauge recent momentum and to see how price behaves around that average. That's it. Open a chart, add indicators from the panel, pick what you want from the More list, and fine-tune the settings so the visuals match your analysis style. Keep your layout clean, stay consistent with your parameters, and let the indicators support the story the price is already telling.